real?
Yeah, we're already up.
So they calculated. So that person behind us is
Yes, he already calculated.
Dang, Daddy, good stuff. Very efficient.
Very
Efficient driving. Almost, but not that efficient. The guy behind
very.
The guy behind us is more efficient.
Do not change lane.
I know. They calculated. Lights out, please. I can't turn off my lights, even if I wanted to.
Oh, a lot of room, man. Look at that.
Massive.
There's a lot of rooms left.
That's why I love how small my car is.
Where's my fish? Go! Why are you guys sitting over here? We should sit. Come and sit over here. So you guys can see the.
This is Jane and Samina reporting. We are on the ferry.
Where it's moving.
We got Grandpa's phone. Where are we going?
We're moving.
Where are we moving to?
We're finding treasure.
We're finding treasure today.
And we're pirates.
We're pirates.
And
There's Roscoe. Hold on. That little monster all by his lonesome.
where's Roscoe?
Straight ahead.
Let me go get
12 o'clock.
Let me go.
You got it. 12 o'clock, baby.
It's moving. I don't like this. Look at them all.
We're all here. We're pirates. Samina said we're hunting for treasure. Are we hunting for treasure? She said sure, the preteen. That's a yes. We are hunting for treasure. They make extra Sometimes money. They do.
Can you say something?
Grandma, I'm gonna buy a yacht one day and then go travel on the ocean.
Okay, what do you say?
Oh, it's facing towards us. She's gonna buy a yacht one day and be a rich.
I'm going
Rich.
We're hunting for treasure.
Okay, can you say something?
I don't know what to say.
Can you say hi? Hi?
Hi.
Say hi to his subscribers.
Hi.
Say hi, subscribers.
Okay.
I can't.
Good.
What?
Say Grandpa's milking me for
Money.
content milking.
Look, there's another ferry.
Oh.
Oh, look, another ball. Yeah, another ferry.
I can see this way. Told you, Coco, I have one song. What? That's a big ferry. But this one's bigger. No, they're the same height.
Oak Harbor for us to get breakfast. Okay, bye. I'm driving. Look for a place. Can you turn on the music first of all? Well, I'm just saying, like, can you find somewhere for the kids to eat in Oak Harbor? Okay, bye.